Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gathering credentials and Hostinger mail settings now. Log into Hostinger and copy your email address, password, and the mail server details, incoming and outgoing hosts, ports, and whether SSL/TLS is required. Open Outlook and confirm it's updated so features match the instructions. Once done, decide IMAP versus POP. Choose IMAP to sync across devices. Make sure two-factor or app passwords are handled if your Hostinger account requires them before proceeding. Now add the Hostinger email manually in Outlook. Go to File, Add Account, then choose Manual Setup or Additional Server Types. Pick IMAP unless you need POP. Enter the incoming server exactly as Hostinger lists it, set the port to the provided number, and select SSL or TLS if required. Next, fill the outgoing SMTP host and its port, enable encrypted connection, and check the box for outgoing server authentication using the same credentials. Once configured, proceed to the test step to finish by running Outlook's test account settings and send a test message to confirm both send and receive work. If the test fails, make small adjustments. Try the alternative port numbers Hostinger provides, toggle SSL versus TLS, and confirm the username is the full email address. If authentication repeatedly fails, create an app-specific password in Hostinger or RitCheck two-factor settings. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable firewall or antivirus mail scanning to ensure they aren't blocking Outlook, then re-enable when solved.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.